Hello class 9 student. Today I am going to continue the next discussion on the Maumari rebellion. In the last class we discussed about the Maumarias, who are the Maumarias, how what is what and how the Maumarias got the importance. Now we are going to discuss about the causes. We are going to discuss about the causes of the Maumariya rebellion. Here, the Maumariya rebellion begins during the reign of Swargadeo Lakshmi Singha, and it lasted for about 30 to 35 years. It was very long. This period was very long. Not even the world wars were fought during this period, so long period. But this Maumari rebellion were going on consecutively for about 30 to 35 years, and it ends during the reign of Swargadeo Kamaleswar Singha. Here we can understand that we are using the term Swargadeo before the name of the king. To understand about the fact that the title Swargadeo is used, we can go towards the history that has been written during the Ahom era. It was during the reign of King Sohummung the title was practiced to be adopted by the king, and this thing was written in a book called Buranji. Buranji means chronicles. Buranji means chronicle, and the name of this Buranji, chronicle means the history that is written in a chronological order according to the date serially, and the name of the Buranji is known as Sri Sri Swarganarayan Maharajar Janmakatha. Here the king termed the name as Swarganarayan because it was propounded the king is regarded as the god of heaven, and here the god of heaven, his name is Indra, and he is termed as the god of heaven, and from there onwards the title, the Ahom king, was believed to be connected to the Hindu god Indra, lord of the heaven. That is why Sohummung adopted the title Swarganarayana when he ascended the throne, when he took the throne, and from this time the Ahom king were referred to as Swargadeo. And to analyze the cause of the Maumariya rebellion, that when it started, we have to go back about 100 years from where it was initiated. Though 100 years prior to the Maumariya rebellion, the rebellion did not start immediately at a very instant, but there were many facts that the rebellion would be started in due course of time. So it needs to be mentioned that the Maumariyas had undoubtable devotion for their gurus. Who were the gurus? I have already mentioned these gurus were the Mahanta, who were the religious preachers of the Mahamara Satra, and the Maumariya people had undoubtable devotion for their guru. If necessary, the disciples were ready to sacrifice their lives under the order of the gurus. And the Satras, the Mayamaya Satra, did not never bowed their head before anyone else except the Guru. Even the king Swargadeva would come in front of them, they will never bow there, they would never bow their head towards the king. Instead, they paid respect more than the Ahom king to the Guru. As a result, the Guru began to feel extremely powerful, and when to the extent, and the Guru started to compare themselves with the king. And it is a matter of fact that a clashes between the Guru and the king was only a matter of time. Once upon a time, King Pratap Singh or Swargadeva Pratap Singha, it was during the time when he was ascended throne, that is 1603 to 1641. So to make fun for the devotion of the Mahamariya disciples, they mounted 2 disciples on what? On horses, and these horses were made to gallop at full speed. As the horses galloped at full speed, at one point at the hand, the horses were galloping very fast, and at one end swords were fixed horizontally at one end, in such a way that the swords were very sharp, and in such a way that if the disciple did not lower their heads, they will be decapitated. And I can understand that you don't understand the word decapitated, because the word decapitated means mutilation or cutting away of their heads. When these 2 disciples who were on the horse, and the horse galloped at high speed, and it comes in contact with these swords, as it was very sharp, their neck would be decapitated, their head will fall off after cutting away from their shoulders. The king had assumed that the 2 disciples will bow their head to escape death. As I have already mentioned, that the disciples were so devoted to their gurus that they would choose to die instead of bowing their head. To the shock of everyone present, the disciples preferred death than to bow their head, and these incidents enhanced the prestige, power and courage of the Mahamariyas, and this started various a tremendous jealousy to the king of the kingdom, that is Ahom king. So after Pratap Singh had this event. One event was that heads were cut down during the Pratap Singh time, to make a fun of it. And another I can discuss that during the reign of Surampa Bhagaraja, that is after him, that is 1641 to 44. I have already mentioned the Mahanta. This Mahanta can also be regarded as Satradhikar of Mayamaya Satra. His name was Guru Nityananda Dev. Guru Nityananda Dev was murdered on royal order. The Mahamariyas blamed the Ahom king monarchy for this murder and promised themselves to take revenge. Thereby, they were thinking of taking revenge against the king. But to a matter of fact, it was far more difficult to start a rebellion against the king. That again, after the murder of Nityananda Dev, there were several other incidents. That is again Vaikuntha Mahanta, Vaikunta Mahanta, on the order of Gadadhar Singha. Vaikunta Mahanta was murdered on the order of Gadadhar Singha. So, who ordered? During the reign of Gadadhar Singha, Vaikunta Mahanta was also ordered to be murdered. So again, another event was that this was Guru Nityananda Dev murdered during the reign of Surampa Bhagaraja, Satyaraja Guru Nityananda Dev, and again during the reign of Gadadhar Singha, Vaikunta Mahanta was murdered. So again, during the reign of another Rudra Singha, another king Rudra Singha, into the court of Rudra Singha, another king Shiva Singha, Guru Chaturbhuj, Guru Chaturbhuj was humiliated. How he was humiliated? You see, during the reign of Shiva Singha, his wife Queen Fuleshwari has adopted the Hindu cult and creed for the first time, and at that time the Hindu religion were flourishing in those at that time Hindu religion were flourishing in Assam, and in regards to it, the Hindu religion used to worship idols, and they were engaged in some sacrificial ceremony, that is sacrificing of animals. But these Mahantas, they were completely veg and they don't believe in sacrificing animal. So at that time, Chaturbhuj Mahanta was invited by Shiva Singha into the court of Rudra Singha, and there the Mahanta had to wear a tilak. You know that where tilak is applied on the middle of the forehead, and this tilak was applied on the forehead of Mahamariya Mahanta, and the blood of the sacrifice animal was used on the forehead of the Mahanta, and it was the accumulation of insult and agony for such serial event. The Mahanta suffered insult and also agony by this activity, and to a matter of fact, the Mahamaya rebellion started. Of course, there were many other factors that started the rebellion over the entire Assam, and here we can term that this is one of the policies of the people, policies of the Ahom kingdom that started, and also the people were humiliated so much. The Chaturbhuj Mahanta was humiliated so much that it goes on increasing. The humiliation goes on increasing, and the repression of the Mahamariyas had started. So this was not only the cause of starting of the Mahamariya. There were several other things that were events that were responsible for the starting of the revolt, that is a Mahamariya rebellion. Here another event, that is the change in the religious policy of the Assam, of the Ahom. Then there were socio-economic causes which brought a big toll over the common people of Assam, and also there were some political causes that started the revolt. The chapter is quite longer, and in the next class I shall discuss the remaining parts wherever is possible for discussion. So I hope so you will understand this lesson, and you will try to read the lesson and understand it. For the time being, I hope so that you will share this video. Thank you.